Hi guys, down in the car park at Clevedon, and there's this handy orange line been sprayed in the car park. And I've just measured from there to where that blue line is on one of those posts is 21 metres. So I'm going to pump this up and see how far it goes. We'll get it up to the green mark. Just on the bottom of the green mark. I'll wait for these people to go past and we'll give it a try. Right, let's see. That's the 21 metre mark. Well, I think that's close on 30 metres, and it stopped because it hit the ramp. So I think we can safely say it does at least 21 metres. We know that because we've measured it. I reckon that probably would have done 30 quite easily. And we were only just onto the green mark, we didn't push it all the way round. So that'll do for today. I'm going to call that 30 metres anyway. Yeah, that was 8 paces past the 21 metres. I know I don't do a full metre pace, but we did stop when we hit the ramp. So it went much further than I expected, and I reckon that would have done 30 metres with no trouble at all. Right, we'll give it a go in the opposite direction. Well, we certainly did an extra bit past the line, so I would say that's definitely 30 metres. I suspect this might be slightly uphill. It doesn't look like it is, but it might be, which would account for it flying the other way quite easily and this way struggling a bit. And obviously it's not a smooth surface, it's not like using a school gymnasium or something. So it's got to contend with all the bumps. So, I reckon 30 metres. Easily. That'll do for today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.